This is the filtered shower head, and we're going to install it right here. We just finished installing the filter shower head. The shower head has a 15-stage filter, which helps to eliminate odors, toxins, and waste. It has 10 water spray settings on here, as you can see. Also, you can flip over the spray and turn it into a jet power washer to clean your tub, as you can see back here. All right, let's turn it on and try it out. So here's the jet shower spray. Use this to clean your tub. I've got all these other settings here.